Hey, on fish. Oh yeah. Did you know that sedum seeded that way? I never knew that. But I also didn't know that you could take the leaves and plant them in the ground and they'll grow. Well, I kind of knew that for other plants, but not sedum. Hey, so yeah. Did you see me getting up, returning that camera right into Best Buy? Oh man. It tells DJI, hey, fix your camera, man, because that's what I told the manager at Best Buy. I couldn't record what I was going to do, but they took my note and they're passing along to their market team at DJI, and that I appreciate. Look at all those seeds there. That's a nice flower. Oh yeah, and that's right on the street level. Oh, I do miss the Action 3, and I miss it somewhat because I like plugging in the USB-C mic and having it on. That's the one thing I liked about the camera. Besides the colors it gave out, it gave it more of a natural look at times. Low light, any action camera don't do great at low light. And yeah, when I thought I did my inside reviews with it, it would be, livable. I don't think so. So I am, just contented. But let me tell you, any camera, when you hit that quick start, that slowness, it's going to catch up to you sooner or later. I'm going to have to wait just a little longer. I could deal with it with the Hero 10 because the Hero 11... it's still the same as the 10. Oh, because I returned the camera, I could talk schmack. I'm not gonna talk schmack. Let's move along. The flashing compound, man. $60 versus $50, double for $10 more. Oh, that made common sense to get the 6-gallon jug than a 3-gallon jug. I got about 6 more lines, 8 lines to do. I think 2 gallons would get me done just fine. Pack the rest up and put it away for the winter time. Just in case of emergency, you can have it there, keep it warm, and it'll work just fine. I got a piece of wood. I got my LED lights on it, and I think I'm gonna just take a couple and maybe make my own little stand so I can shine it on me and use a 5-volt battery that'll do just fine. It doesn't have to be 12 volts because it's 3.6 volts, and got a little project going. I'm just not sure when I'm going to get that done. I got to get it done soon. I made a comment to a member, and I get called out by somebody else on YouTube, and they answer for that person. Well, I get it, I really do, but it makes common sense. It really does. And maybe I didn't say it right. Oh well, it is what it is, right? People love typing wrong. That's what happens. That is a dot to you. Oh man, a giant plane just flying. Your eyes see things differently than what we look through. That is an awesome shot. I wish I was a lot closer. Oh, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking real hard. I made my right decision, for sure. Because, tomorrow I could just go back the next day, after, or next year. not going to be out of stock. But what if it becomes a collector's item? Oh well. Yeah, you know, things are meant to be. You'll find the signs that tell you to keep it or not. I forgot. I wasn't supposed to talk about cameras. I was supposed to talk more about off-topic stuff. And it may or may not be to your liking, but you know, about cameras, shooting some video and having some fun. I'm happy I just have a camera that can do that, and that is good enough for me. I don't need to have all the bells and all the whistles, all the big toys in the world. I already got things. It's Christmas time or happy birthday every single day for me. And that's my job indeed. And yeah, you know, what can I say?